Campsite. Just going to film setting camp up, but we're in a bit of a rush. So we're all set for it's our first day. Aye? Oh, okay. Oh, Jess must be somewhere else, just a little one. See if you can let it go, Richard. Let it go. We'll just let this one go, just a little fella. Another little one, bugger. Thought it was bailing, so thought it was a bit better. Little guys. There you go. There you go. Just a little guy. I'll switch off. It's just a little fella. You shoot him. Holding it. Just grab it. Boar? Oh, sow. Okay. Yeah. Good sow. I thought it was a boar. You let it go if you can. It's not, is it fat? No. Eh? No. Oh, well, take it if you want. This is the sixth pig we've caught. Out of the six we've let 4 go, and we've kept a couple for the pot. So might as well take a bit back, but yeah, we've let most of them go. So yeah, she's in good nick and she'll be good eating. So good pork for the freezer. Put the camera on my head. That'll be an alright pig. Hopefully. Good dogs, good dogs. Good boar. Here she's a boar. Coming down. Whew. Whew. Nailed that sucker. You can go down and get him. Whew. I'll just turn off and we'll have a look at him in the creek. Here's that boar that just shot before. It's got a big jaw. So there's two, this is the other one we got. So that's, this pig here is number 7. It's only about 9 o'clock in the morning, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, so we'll either keep going upstream for a little while and then probably call it quits. The dogs are starting to get a little bit tired.
Because we're only
fresh dogs back at the hut.
We're only hunting 2 bitches today, so they're just bailing. It's awesome.
So yeah, good jaw, good motu jaw. So yeah, the old shotty smoked it. So yeah, we'll keep hunting. We'll leave these 2 pigs here.
Yes, he's having a sleep
later on. So a couple of photos and we're out of here. Beautiful view. There's carried on down the river and got another boar down the river. Sal? Oh yeah, sweet. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, nice. How are the dogs? Sweet. Second boar for the trip. They had this pig about 200 metres up they started. That the brindle dog, come here, you fools. That brindle dog there, found it, tracked it from ages from up over the other side of the river and then stopped it. These other guys, good boy dear, good boy. Good boy dear. These other dog got there and started scraping it down. Nice young motu boar. Reasonable little jaw on it. So that is the last pig of our trip. We're out of here now. We are out of here.
Oh,
had a good day. We're just going to head home and kick back now.
I'm stuffed.
Yeah.
I don't know how we're going to get down.
Straight down.
Yeah,
that is just straight down to the river. sort of find a way on that last bit, getting down. Should be right though if we find that bit where we... Sweet. So, yeah. Very good dogs. Very good bolt. There we go now, Boldy boy. That just tops our trip off. Go back, tie the dogs up. Fly out of here tomorrow morning.